In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and execute trades on the Plus500 platform efficiently. This guide will provide you with a clear, step-by-step approach to managing your trades effectively. Let's dive in and start with the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to app.plus500step.com to log into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, giving you access to various trading options and tools. Next, let's explore the shares. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a panel with different categories. Click on Shares to explore the options available. Here, you can browse through a broad array of companies, or if you have a specific company in mind, like Apple, Tesla, or Microsoft, you can easily utilize the search function to find them directly. This search capability helps save time and ensures you're focusing on the specific shares you want to trade. Once you've located the share you're interested in, the next move is to open the trade window. If you expect the price of these shares to rise, you'll click Buy. If, however, you anticipate a decline in the price, clicking Sell would be the appropriate action. This is a critical choice, as it sets the foundation for your trading strategy and potential outcomes. In the trade window, you'll need to enter all your trade details. Start by deciding the amount. This could be the number of contracts for difference, CFDs you wish to trade, or the specific value you plan to invest. Setting a stop loss is crucial in managing your risk, as this feature automatically closes your position if the price drops to a predetermined limit. Alongside this, setting a take-profit level allows the system to lock in gains once your target price is reached. For those familiar with leverage, you have the option to adjust this. But remember, increased leverage amplifies both potential gains and risks. Once you've carefully filled in all the trade details, it's time to place your trade. Click Open Position to confirm your selections. Congratulations, your trade is now live, and you can start monitoring its performance. To track your open trades, head over to Open Positions. Here, you can keep a close eye on your live profit and loss. If at any point you wish to modify your stop loss or take profit levels, you can edit them right from this section, ensuring your strategy aligns with evolving market conditions. When you're ready to close your position, simply select the trade and click on Close Position. This action will finalize your trade and update your account balance to reflect any profit or loss incurred. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to trade shares using the Plus500 platform. Remember to always trade responsibly, keeping in mind both the opportunities and risks involved. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.